Shilpa Shetty. This Bollywood actress is always super excited in the show and she is climbing a ladder to appreciate every performance is too much to handle. Neha Kakkar. Neha is the judge of Indian Idol, the show where she participated as a contestant before. The singer cries during happy, sad elimination. Basically, she cries every 10 minutes in the show, which is a torture for the audience. Neha Dhupia. She's the judge of MTV's famous reality show, Roadies, and she has nothing to do there except shouting. She shows her fake feminism and just abuses the contestants, and in every season fights with Prince Narula. Anu Malik. This famous Bollywood singer is an irritating judge of the singing reality show Indian Idol. He irritates all the audience with his poor shairis and his weird remarks. What he does for comedy actually appears irritating to people. Raghu. He was a judge of the famous reality show Roadies and judged many seasons of the show. His constant ranting and verbal abuse to the contestants was irritating and he was thrown out of the show because of this. Mithun Chakravarti. This Grandmaster of Dance India dance, Mithun Chakravarti, always tried to be guardian of everyone, which looked fake. His shairis and poems were too poor and his gimmicks failed to evoke laughter and became irritating. Archana Puran Singh. People find it difficult to hear the jokes on shows wherever Archana judges because of her laughter. Her only work throughout a show is to laugh and looks like she gets paid for her weird laughter, which is really irritating to ears. Himesh Reshammiya. Himesh has judged many shows and in each show he was irritating because of sudden tempers or sudden crying. Chetan Bhagat. Chetan Bhagat was the judge of Nach Baliye and no one knows why. He has no knowledge of dancing and was irritating throughout the season. Geeta Kapoor. Well, everyone's Geeta Ma cries so much on dance shows that she can easily eradicate the water problem of our country. Her over melodramatic performance irritates everyone watching the show. Nikhil Chinnappa. He is the judge of famous youth reality show Roadies and his rants and verbal abuses are irritating. Marzi Pestonji. This judge's gimmicks on dance shows first appeared cute because of his face, but it later became too irritating to handle.
Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.